Deciding on a real estate brokerage can be an extremely overwhelming process. Actually, it's a job in itself. You need to know the top things to look for, to focus on whenever you're choosing your forever home or your next home. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Essence Regine. Welcome to the world of real estate. Deciding on a real estate brokerage can be one of the most overwhelming processes. And I say so because there are so many brokerages to choose from. You need to interview them. Figure out how they can help you. How are they serving you? They want you on their team. Like, you're the prize here. How they can make you go from 0 to 100 real quick. But most importantly, watch the video to the end because I am going to be giving you the tea. First things first, number one, you're wanting to know what the split is for the brokerage that you're choosing. For example, whenever you're going to close a deal, you're going to get a percentage, whether that be 100%, 80-20, 70-30, whatever that is. You need to figure out what the split is and what does the split cover. Well, some brokerages offer 100% splits, meaning they're not going to charge you anything, but do you get training? Number two, capping. A cap is a yearly amount that the agent reached and no longer has to pay franchise fee or the split. So in my brokerage, my cap would be $16,000 for the year. And I close 20 additional deals. I then become an icon agent. At EXP, they award us back the $16,000 in stock. So it's almost like I'm not paying anything, and that makes it a win-win situation because we're closing deals anyways, right? Right. So always know what the cap is. You heard what Jay-Z said, period. Number three, fees. Now, most brokerages are gonna have fees, but you want to know, what does my fees include? CRM, transaction fees, website, business cards. What does these fees include? Make sure you know this question because these fees are due on a monthly basis. With EXP, I pay $85. Number four, additional streams of income. Where the money at, honey? Where the money at, honey? At brokerage, we get stock, commission, and residual income. We're allowed to get paid 3 different ways. We're already selling real estate, right? Imagine if you could be able to make commission, residual, and stock from one transaction. Number five, training. Now this one is very important because pre-licensing, baby, when I tell you, I mean, it's cute, it's good, it's the law, but it is not teaching you about real estate. I remember when I got my license, I'm like, oh, I'm ready to go. But no, you're not. Like, when I say it's a different world, it's like night and day. So you really need to make sure the brokerage that you join has training, and be mindful about who is training you. Make sure the person that's teaching you is actually teaching you, which puts me in mind for the next step. Number 6, mentorship and support. As a new agent, it is very critical that you have someone you can shadow that really is going to give you the tea and behind the scenes of what it looked like, because it ain't all glitz and glam. I really closed my deals back to back to back to back. When I had my mentor, like, I could literally call her up and be like, look, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to do that, what should I do, how should I advise him or her? Like, it's critical to have training and support. A cloud brokerage, meaning we're online. Over the weekend, how are you getting your questions answered if you don't have a mentor? There's over 1,000 agents working in different departments, and I can literally go into the system, go find the section that I need to be in and ask the question and get my question answered within. You need support as a new agent. You need someone that will allow you to shadow them. You need someone that will allow you to call them. And I'm not saying call them at 12 o'clock at night, you know, but you really are going to need support. So whatever brokerage you choose, make sure you're asking them, who's training me? How often am I getting trained? And where can I go to get trained after business hours? 7. And last but not least, let's get into number 7. So what are the vibes like? Like, we're not coming in here to play no games. What's the vibe like? My initial brokerage and I was with, let's just say I didn't get the help that I needed, but it wasn't the vibe that I needed either. Now there is a vibe. Every time we meet up, you would think that we're coming in the office all the time. We meet up for meetings, we meet up for events, we meet up outside for lunch. We have group chats to communicate collaboration over competition. Nobody is competing here, because if you win, I win. When you eat, I eat. And it's just beautiful. Like, it's a nice thing to see. But always go for what the vibe is. How do you feel? Because that's how you're going to thrive best. When you feel good. When you feel good, you look good, you do good. Ain't that right? Can I get an amen in the church? Come please. So, that is it for this video. 7 steps to finding the brokerage that best suits you. If you are interested in EXP and would like more information, I am going to leave a link below so that you can research and do everything you need to do. If you have any more questions about EXP, please let me know. Like, comment below if you have any questions about the video in general. Save it for later, share with your friends, but most importantly, to stay up to the know, turn your notification bell on. I don't even know what you're waiting on. And I'll see you on the next one.